Hi, so here's an unboxing of the HomGeek personal blender here. So it comes with 2 BPA free bottles, and these are 20 ounces or 600 milliliters. Now these are pretty easy to handle and they're very nice design. You could see the cap just spins out, and like with a lot of these personal blenders, you swap it with the blades. So you simply put the blades on top where the lid used to be. And this is a little bit confusing on the Amazon site because their picture shows both open-ended, whereas it's really just one end. Once you have it tightened, what you do is you align this arrow to the lock itself here. So there's a lock. I'm going to put this down, twist it, and lock it in place. And then I could simply turn on the blender by pushing this button. So I will have the demo in a separate video here. What I really want to show you is the quality here and also just a simple unboxing. So you could see it is 4 blades here of stainless steel. And let me just give you an up-close view. There's an extra gasket that it comes with. So each one of these lids will have its own gasket. So there is also a safety mechanism here. So only when it's locked can this be turned on. So you can see I have it plugged in and I can't push this. So that's a nice little feature also. There is a safety. Now, I like to make smoothies out of this or ice cream milkshakes, but what I do try to avoid is actually using this on ice because it really dulls the blade. What I actually do is I will thaw frozen fruit along with milk or, you know, almond milk or something like that, but to not try to use these mini blenders directly using ice. You know, it just dulls the blade. I don't like that really. But what is really nice about this is it does come with 2 bottles, you know, one for yourself and one for significant other or your kids. Just to give you a sense of the bottle cap itself here. And once again, this is BPA free. It has a nice hook. So that's a little nice touch to it right there. Or you could have a carabiner yourself and actually hang it. But it's also a nice handle. Now these things are pretty light, but they're also, you know, pretty decent plastic too. So just to give you an idea here, give you an up-close view. I'm going to spin around once again. This is 20 ounces and 600 milliliters. Now this particular base is 300 watts and it is very sleek and it goes nicely with your stainless steel kitchen. So it's nice that this is detached and you could see that this is fingerprint free. You know, I could try to rub my fingerprints over it and you could see there's nothing there. And it's just nice and sleek. There is sort of like a handle here, you know, a lock indicator. If you look inside here, there's really nothing you want to wipe or clean here. I just want to give you a look inside. And that's where the exhaust, the 300-watt motor. And this particular is a 2-prong, in case you wanted to know. And the operation is simply pushing the button. So once you have it locked in place, I will demo that, but as far as the food, I will leave that to, and the drinks, leave that to another video here. So let me just plug this in and show you the operation. Now I do have this filled with water, and once again, this blender cap with the blades swaps in with the bottle cap. I'm going to twist it on tight and put it in, arrow aligned with the lock there. Place it down, you know, give it one twist to lock it. Now you can see I have the liquid here and I'm simply going to push the button, and it is intended to be used for less than 60 seconds. So that is exactly the reason why I wanted to show you with water, is just to give you that tornado effect and for you to see how powerful it is. And also, this is 300 watts. It does spin 23,000 RPMs, so that is 23,000 rotations per minute. And let me show you that effect once again. You can see that. And normally everything would be blended, but once again I try to avoid these things and try not to use ice, but thawed out frozen fruit or fresh fruit or something like that. But that's really it. That's really what I want to show, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.